Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. Welcome to my channel. My name is Kadi. Today we're going to go through a video that was requested by one of my subscribers, Lentum Gibbons, right? So we are going to go through a video on how to make a YouTube video without showing your face. So I know most people they get so scared when making a YouTube video, but it doesn't have to be that case, right? Because you don't even have to show your face. There are many ways that you can make YouTube videos and also make money from it and get a lot of views. So if you can see, most of my videos I don't even show my face. That is one of the option that you can also go for. I'll also talk about it in this video. So if this is something that you are interested in, please stick with me until the end of this video. But for now, let's not waste any time. Let's just go through it. Option number one is using stock footages, right? So what is this all about? These are the videos that are already being created. You can just use them and add them to your main video, the one that you're creating. You don't have to show your face. This is, let's say for example, you want to do a cooking video. So you can basically go to one of these websites. I'll show you now what I mean. You can go to Pixabay, Vidizi, or Pixels. Let's just go to Pixels now. I just want to show you what I'm talking about. Just go to www.pixel.com. Let's say for example you are making a video about baking, as I've mentioned earlier. So you come here, you look for a video that speaks to what you want to convey, right, in your video, and then you make a YouTube video about it. You can even add text to your video and just add a nice little music background to your video, just to add that touch, right? So just come to Pixels and just look for the video that you want. Option 2, you can use a video screen recorder. This is how I make most of my videos. Those who want to know how I make my videos without showing my face, I'm actually using a Screen Customatic. That is the screen recorder that I'm using. And there's another one that is quite nice that I like, which is OBS Screen Recorder, the first option. And that one is for free, guys. You can actually download it and start using it. So, and the paid one is the one that I have outlined here. And there are other options that are quite good. I just have to do your research and just go with the one that resonate with you. Option number 3, you can use slideshows. So I'll just put a video. I'm sure it will show somewhere at the top of this one, where I've done a video previously where I've only used PowerPoint, right? So I basically use PowerPoint. It's a slideshow from start to finish. You can just use that video as an example. You can just add text to your PowerPoint slides. You can also add icons. So it depends on what you are talking about and what you're trying to convey to your audience. And another thing to make your video to come together is you need to have a good video editor, right? Because you can have your stock footage videos, you can have your icon, but then you need something that can put your video together and make it more enticing and interesting. That's where a video editor comes into play, because that's where you can add your nice music, and you can also just add some animation and interesting aspect to your video to make it more interesting for the viewers, so that they can that your viewers can be interested and keep on watching your videos. There are different types of video editors that we have. So these are some of the free video editors. but I'm going to show you the Clipchamp video editor, which is quite nice. It's a nice video editor to use. It does have a paid plan to it, but you can use the free plan, right? That is what I'm also using, and it is working quite well for me. I don't have to upgrade now, but if you need more advanced capabilities and options, then you can take up the paid plan. So let's just go to my screen so I can show you how you would work on the video that we just uploaded now from Pixels. Okay, so I've already imported that video. Remember that video that we just got from Pixels that shows you how to bake. This is the video that we're going to work with. So let's say, for example, you want to add a bit of music to it. You can just go to music and look for the music that you want. As I've said, I'm using a free version, so I'll only pick the music that is free. But if you want more option to it, then so if you want more options if you want more options, then you must take up a paid plan. So for you to add the music, you can just say add here. If you want to add text, you can just say text and just choose you can just add your text here and just drag it until you want the text to end, and this is where it will end, right? Once it reaches to this point, then it will disappear. So this is how you make your video. You can add your music, you can add any animation, it's up to you. So this is how you create your video without showing your face. Hope guys this is something that was worthwhile for you. So the next option that I'm going to show you is making a video using animations. Option number 4 is to use animation. You can use you can make doodle videos. There's a nice tool called Doodly, which is not even bad from a price point of view, where you can just make your own animation and draw according to how you want it, and it will create such nice videos. And I know many YouTube channels that are successful and they are getting more views using Doodly, right? And another one is cartoon animation. It's only cartoon animations in the video, so there is no human videos, just cartoons, and they're also doing very well. And you can also use that from a education video point of view, and also especially for kids channel, that also works very well. And yeah, you can even use those for your codes videos if you want. So I think those are the options that I have for you, and especially for you Lantam. If I hope this video is adding value to you. I really enjoyed myself making this video for you. So please guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video and comment. And if you also want me to make other videos for you that has to do with anything making money online, affiliate marketing, and design point of view, please let me know, right? So I can create it for you. Thank you for watching my channel. This is Hadi. Cheers guys.